Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how you can hide with spoiler on Telegram. And this means that you can send a picture to someone, and when that person is opening the chat, that he is not or he cannot see the video or photo immediately. So I go to this chat, and this is the option right here that is with hide the spoiler, and this picture is just a normal picture, so the spoil is not hiding. So I will show you now how we can fix this. So tap on the file icon, and from here select the picture right in the top that you want to send. Now if I tap on the three dots just right there, I can tap on hide with spoiler, and if I do now send, I send the picture to this person, but he can't see the picture when he will open his chat. He needs to tap on it, and then if you can see, you will see the photo. Alright, this is how it works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.